Hi, in this video, we are going to clean our dataset using Openrefine. So let's open the Openrefine. Openrefine is a powerful tool we can use for cleaning our messy data. We can explore what's inside our dataset, and we can do this by seeing the filters and applying many facets to see and edit our dataset. Let's open our dataset. Here is our dataset. Then click Next. Here is the preview of our dataset. Then in the lower part, we see some options. In our dataset, we have 65,536 rows. Then this option, parse next, one line as column headers is selected. Then store blank rows and store blank cells as nulls. We just leave these options as default. We save our project name like data set cleaned. Here is our dataset, and in the preview we see this dataset in 10 by 10, 10 rows in each view. We can change it to 100, and we can navigate through the dataset. Okay, let's start cleaning. The first column here is we see all, and this is the given indexes to each row in the dataset. And also we have stars and flags. Sometimes we need to flag or stars when we clean our dataset. We will learn later. The first column here is invoice number. So this is the numbers. Let's facet this by this option, numeric facet. Here we can overview the data of invoice number column. Numeric is 64,451 rows, and non-numeric we have 1084 rows. Let's see what's this non-numeric. We have 1084 rows, start with letter C. Yeah, all start with letter C. Maybe it means the customer and the number. So we are not going to edit this. We just leave it like that. Then the next column is stock code. Stock code here is numbers, and also we see mixed with numbers and letters. So let's try to see the data. We have numeric 56,000, non-numeric 9,308. So better we just convert this to text. So for this, we just do this, edit cells, then common transforms to text, and all change to the text. And here we see the notification. Then here we see in this data set, the numbers are in green colors and the text are in black color. The next column to analyze, to clean, is description. This is text, text format. Let's facet this, text facet. And you have many descriptions here. You have also this, question marks. There is no description for these rows. Then let's go in more details of this column by clicking on cluster. So the method is key collision. We select the default, the first one. Then we have functions here. We'll go only the first few functions, but depends to your data set. You're going to clean this cluster. So here we have the suggestions. 40 rows. The 39 rows is this, and only one is with comma. So we can merge this as this new cell value. The other one also, and this is also same, we can merge. This one also apostrophe, we can merge. this one also. So it looks all we can accept for merging, right? Just only comma and space. So let's select all, and here it's only this word is at the end, but the description is the same. Select all and merge selected and recluster. Okay, 423 cells edited. Let's go to the next function. Here also we can merge only the space between cup and cakes, and here also just space, so we can merge. Then another function. So here we are not going to merge this, they are different descriptions. So we just stop in this step. And what we did, it's already here. We can go back if we want to the previous steps if we did something wrong. Okay, we just continue. Then we check the quantity column, it's numeric, and we have here quantity from negative 80,000 to 80,000. Let's see what's the negative quantity. We don't know what's the quantity negative, so we can investigate this by asking from stakeholders, and maybe it means discount or maybe returning the item. So we just keep this like that. And the next column is invoice date, each timeline facet, and our data is between December 1, 2010 up to January 20, 2011. So we can see also if you want to see those data. And we can also, if you want, you can export here what you need, what you see as filter, you can export directly. So this is all good. Unit price, all good. We have very big unit price, and that's okay. Customer ID. Let's see customer ID, and here we see almost 25,317 customer ID is blank, almost more than 50% of our data. The customer ID is blank, and this blank, see mostly United Kingdom. So if you want to see which country they are, so you can facet also While keeping this filter, you can facet also and see which country they are. This 25,317 is in these countries. Okay, so we just leave it blank because we can't drop them. And the next column is country. Let's facet this, and we have 24 countries here. Nothing to merge or cluster. All are good. So we finished checking the columns. Let's check the duplicated rows. Openrefine can't remove the duplicated rows, what we can see in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, just by clicking the cleaning data and remove duplicates. But here we need to make, because Openrefine can find duplicates based on one column, so we are going to create a column that's the combined of all other columns. So by doing that, we can know where are our duplicates. So let's add new column. I choose the last column and I choose this option, join columns. I select all columns and I give the name for the new column combined. I just leave the other options default, and here we have the new column. That's the joined of all other columns. Now let's see what's duplicated. So here we do duplicate facet. Here we have 1,212 rows. They have duplicated rows. We don't know exactly how many rows we are going to keep and how many we need to drop. So, this is the 1,212 rows. They have duplicates, but I want to see the duplicated rows altogether. So for that, I sort this. I sort this combined column. That's okay. Here. Here we can see the duplicated rows. For example, this row in the database has index 34674 and it's duplicated again in the index 34683. So we want to keep the first one and delete the others and also the other rows. For this, what we do, we need to blank the duplicated rows and keep the one only. So because they are in different index, so we need to reorder our rows. So we just come here, sort, and we click this, reorder rows permanently. See, they got now in the new order these two rows in the data set. They are located in this index 29 and 30. So we want to keep 29 and we blank 30. So we go to this column again and blank down. Okay, see we have 638 duplicated rows, which the Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet shows if we are going to do that with those applications. So we are going to drop this. How? Just come here and remove matching rows. We dropped or removed 638 rows. Also, we don't need this column anymore, and we just come to edit column and remove this column also. So our data is ready and cleaned for the next step of analysis. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share for the support.